Welcome inside a modern poultry farm, where precision, care, and automation work together at every step. It begins in massive sheds designed for efficiency, where thousands of birds move in a carefully controlled environment. Feeding and hydration systems operate automatically, ensuring consistent growth and health. Fresh eggs travel through advanced conveyor systems, where they are cleaned, inspected, and sorted with high accuracy. Every egg is handled with precision as machines verify quality before packing. Inside the incubation area, temperature and humidity are perfectly regulated. Eggs gently rotate, creating ideal conditions for life to develop. Soon, the first cracks appear, and new chicks enter the world. Newly hatched chicks are carefully guided through automated systems, where their health, weight, and safety are checked. Vaccination and monitoring ensure strong early development. Workers and machines operate in harmony, preparing clean bedding, maintaining airflow, and regulating warmth through intelligent climate control. Every detail is engineered for animal welfare and productivity. As chicks settle into their new environment, advanced farm systems continue working behind the scenes, delivering feed, water, heat, and ventilation seamlessly. This is modern poultry farming, a blend of technology, precision, and care, ensuring quality from start to finish. Thanks you for watching.